chance, it'll be rainy, with a forecasted high of 16 and a low of -1. It's currently 10 and cloudy. There is currently a rainfall warning in effect.
Gray on gray. With a little pop of color. It's already raining so hard.
It's too easy, man, it's plain to see. You're making my dreams come alive in the nighttime. Your body making room up in my memory, yeah. Baby, you're an angel. Baby, you're the one. Baby, you're the only girl that I could ever want. I can be your A1, anything for us. Baby, you're the only girl that I could ever love.
So I'm currently editing this video, and I realized that I hardly get to really talk about the actual outfits and where their clothes are from, and I thrifted a bunch of it and blah blah blah, which is kind of the point of this video, I think, in my opinion. So I'm gonna splice in some just some footage of me explaining the clothing, I guess. And I'm not trying to take myself super seriously. This is just supposed to be kind of like a vlog of what I wore every day and kind of like to promote the sustainability of thrifting. Proceed. On Tuesday, this is what I wore. I wore this American Apparel jumper, and this is like a hand-me-down. I didn't buy this, but my friend bought it for her husband, and he didn't like it, so I ended up with it. It's kind of like a little bit of a tracksuit kind of vibe, but I paired it with these pants, which are from Club Monaco. I bought them for a wedding, and they're like proper trousers. They're like wool. I don't know if you can see the texture. I just love these pants so much. They're like a proper dress pant kind of, but also they're like elasticated at the bottom, like at the hem and stuff. So they kind of also read a little bit like a sweatpant, but they don't fit like a sweatpant. I don't know. So they're very like athleisure appropriate, which I just love. That was Tuesday's outfit. Kind of weird. Bag was from Zara too. And then this is what I wore on Wednesday. So this is like actually pretty much all thrifted. So this is a jacket I found, and it's like a Champion jacket that I thrifted, but it's like kind of vintage vibey, very much so like that. So I actually like DIY'd this sweater a bit. I bought this like blue, it's like a fleecy soft sweater, and then I took up the bottom and made it cropped and ran like a drawstring through it, which is also thrifted. This was like a curtain puller backer thing, and it's like kind of ropey and it looks nautical, so you like tie it up and it like is like a cropped length, which I really like. It's like a little bit different and weird and fun, and if you wanted to like make it like more athletic-y, like sporty, you could just change this out for like a white shoelace and it would look different. And I wore it with these pants, which I thrifted, that make my butt look kind of nice. So I don't know, I just like this outfit because it's all like matchy like blue on blue and red on red and beige on beige on beige. Like it all just kind of like matches up, which kind of looks like a sports team outfit or something weird. I don't know, I just like it.
Java Blend Coffee Roasters will open in 8 minutes.
I'm in a parkade because I'm about to go to the gym, and I realized I didn't really even get a chance to film like a proper outfit today. I guess I should give you a rundown because I haven't been doing that with my outfits either, like a rundown of what I'm actually wearing. I'm wearing like a long wool coat that is thrifted, this knit sweater, which is also thrifted. These pants, which are like sweatpants, and they have like these fancy faux leather knee patches. These are from Zara. They're a couple years old. Me and my friends have a really fun, inappropriate joke about the purpose of these knee pads. And then I'm wearing some white sneaks. These are a couple years old. They're just like super beat up. And my hat is thrifted too. And I think that's everything. Hi guys, so it is magically Sunday. Time flies when you're having fun. Here's today's outfit. I'm not doing anything too fun today, just running some errands, maybe going to the gym later. I need to cook some food, so it's just comfortable. This shirt is from my last thrift store adventure. It's like this like cool velvety top, and it has these like, I don't know, little ribbon details on the shoulders, which I very much so appreciate. And then I'm just wearing it with the Club Monaco pants that you saw earlier in the week. They're like wool. I really like the like speckling on these. I don't know if you can see the texture there. Big fan of those. And yeah, that's the look. So I'm gonna run to the grocery store because I need some food and I'm starving. Oh my god, you guys, I am trying to bake a tart right now, and I went to take it out of the oven and my tea towel hit the like element and caught like actually like fully on fire, like big flames. And there's my galette, my tart, and I'm simultaneously trying to make a caramel. And if you've ever made a caramel, then you know that it's like kind of like a high stress, like you can't leave it, and it's just like Hey guys, so it is actually the last day that I'm filming. This has kind of been like fun. It's like given me a reason to go outside during daylight hours, which is kind of tricky right now because in Canada the sun is rising at like 7:30 and setting at 4:30, and I work from 8 till 4. It's been a lot of fun to like go outside and film these. I hope you guys don't think I'm like being too serious and thinking I'm a fashionista. I'm not, but I think it's nice to like dress in outfits that you think are cute. Even if you're not really doing anything. Because for a long time, I just went to work and then went to the gym and wore sweatpants everywhere. And this is like mildly a step above that, so I'm pretty proud. And I haven't really bought new clothes all that much other than like certain pieces out of necessity for the past 2 to 3 years. I've been thrifting everything, so I kind of finally feel like I'm in a place where I can make good outfits with my wardrobe, because for a while it was like a little bit scarce in my closet because I was like not buying new pieces and I wasn't finding things thrifting. And anyways, I'm rambling. This is the last outfit I wore. I wasn't really planning on filming it, but I wore this earlier today. It's just like a pair of like proper cotton trousers in like a light gray color And then it's like gray on gray, so I have like the long wool overcoat that I thrifted again. The pants are thrifted, and I'm wearing like a long, it's a blanket basically, it's like a shawl cape, also in a gray wool that matches the coat, but I like to drape it around and it's like a big obnoxious scarf, but it has like a lot of movement to it, so I really like it. Anyways, I hope you guys liked that video, and I will see you guys in my next one. I'm planning on doing like a thrift haul vlog where I actually go to a bunch of thrift stores, so if you want to see that, feel free to subscribe because it's coming up soon. All right, bye.